Hey guys, welcome to Moneyball. I'm glad you're here today. I have some good information for you. Remember, the series that we've been doing over this last month is following the trend right now in the credit reporting industry, one in which is moving towards allowing the consumer to report their own debts. It's very exciting. Now today, I'm going to show you how to manually do this yourself. Report them, and get this, if it's not reported right, I'm going to show you how to correct it overnight. And when I say overnight, I'm saying less than 7 days. So stick around, guys. That's coming up right now. Please smash that like button. I'm asking you, please subscribe, and welcome to our community. Talk to you soon. Okay guys, there you are. Welcome back to Moneyball. Now listen, for those of you out there who don't know who I am, quickly, my name's Andrew Alfonso. I own a mortgage company here in Tampa, Florida. I've enjoyed decades of success. I've been very, very blessed. And what I've been sharing with you guys over the last few months are industry secrets. Most of them only known from the inside, from insiders like myself. So it's important that you take some of this knowledge and make it work for you. And as I stated earlier, one of the things that we're doing in this series is reporting on the trend of where the credit industry is going. They're allowing you to report some of your own debts, and I went over that when I showed you how to report your own rent, okay, how to erase credit pools, inquiries, and a multitude of other things, how to report your Netflix and get credit for it, all of your payment histories that are out there in your bank accounts that normally are forgotten about. So if you haven't seen that, go back and watch it, please. Now, in this one here, the reason why this is so important, guys, is because it's not easy. It's easy for you to do. It's not easy for the people like me who are on the inside, who own the mortgage companies to do, but I'm going to tell you what it is right now. Okay, there's something out there called a rapid rescore. And for anyone out there who's tried to get something fixed on their credit report, you face a brick wall. And what I mean by that specifically is you get on the telephone with these people, the people that are supposed to fix your credit when something goes wrong. Let's say they report a payment that was late when it really wasn't. The brick wall is they tell you, oh, don't worry about it. We're going to fix it. We're going to send you proof of it. We're going to mail you a letter out. Don't worry. It'll fix itself in 2 to 3 months. What happens is, guys, 3, 4, and 5 months go by. You have this monkey on your back, reported information that's wrong, and as a result, whether they fix it or not, what happens is your credit score goes down. And guys, you cannot let this happen. Let me tell you something. The clock's working against you when you're trying to correct things, especially when it's misinformation. So with this product called a Rapid Rescore, and guys, by the way, I don't make any money on this. I'm not an affiliate. This is information I just want to share to possibly get your historical credit profile in better shape, because I know what effect great credit can have on your life. It can turn things around. So with a Rapid Rescore, guys, what this is specifically is this. There's a form that's available to guys like me where if a borrower calls in and says, hey, Andrew, what can I do to get my scores up? The reason why they're down is because I told the guy down the street not to pull my credit more than 3 times, and he did. Let's say that guy owns a car dealership. Or my credit card company is saying I'm 30 days late back in September of last year when I never was, and I think I can prove that. Or this company here says I owe them $200 on some type of medical debt, and I don't. So how do you get this fixed, and fixed fast? And when I say fast, I'm talking 7 days or less. You do it with a Rapid Rescore. You contact a professional like myself and you say, hey, look, I'm thinking about making a big purchase at some point in my future. Could be a house, could be whatever. But I've heard about something called a Rapid Rescore. I know you offer it. Can you tell me what I need to do to get this going? The lender will print out a form for you. It's a simple form. You fill it out. You explain on that form what is wrong with your credit report. Now keep in mind, guys, you can't just fill the form out, fax or email it in and expect things to happen. You have to have supporting documentation. So yes, you do have to back up your facts. For instance, if you've paid down a credit card and the balance is only $200, but your credit report is still showing $1,200. We know that it shouldn't show that. We believe that you've paid it down. But if you want that reported immediately and you want the extra credit points that come along with paying your accounts down, then you do the rapid rescore, you fill the form out, and you provide the supporting documentation, which would be a letter from that creditor. It says, to whom it may concern, Mr. James or Mr. Jones has paid this account down to X amount of dollars. If you have any questions on this matter, please contact me directly. Have the customer rep sign it and a phone number. Make sure it's on the company's letterhead. So together with that letter on their letterhead and a copy of your most recent bill to show you've paid that card down, that's an example of what I could take from you. I could order this rapid rescore, and instead of waiting 2 or 3 months for it to get done, it can be done in 7 days or less. Most of the time it's about 3 days. Guys, this is a big deal. Normally you have to wait God knows how long for the credit report to fix itself. Here you can do it instantaneously. You can remove inquiries, you can report balances that are paid down or cards that are paid off, medical collections you don't owe. You can manually go in there and rescore your entire credit report in a week so that you can tell your wife that you're going to get that house that the gentleman at the mortgage company told you it was going to take 12 months to get. No, you don't have to wait. Guys, this is just one of the many tools that we have at our disposal. I want you to remember it. It's called a rapid rescore. And last but not least, what does this cost? Well, the truth is, we report to 3 repositories: Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. So for each account, let's say we're talking about a Best Buy account, okay? It reports 3 times to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Each one of those, we do a rapid rescore to. You're looking at about $30 to $35 per reporting. So on one account, it would cost $100, $110. So if you're rescoring your entire credit report, let's say 5 or 6 counts, yes, it can get pricey. But trust me, guys, it's a lot better than paying a so-called professional who sits in a seat at a law office and says he's going to fix your credit report and never does. So keep that in mind. For more tools and disposals, hit the like, subscribe. Remember, next week we're going to be showing you how to put $150,000 in your bank account in less than 3 weeks. We put $300,000 in my own account. So guys, this is not a joke. And again, I'm not a paid promotions specialist. I'm not an affiliate marketer. We're here at the Money Ball looking out for you. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next week, guys. Thanks for stopping by.